Hello students, I am your educator Ritu. In today's video, we will learn about conducting system of heart. Human heart is myogenic in nature. So impulse for heart beating is generating inside heart by group of modified muscles arranged in the form of node. This node-like structure is called as pacemaker. But beyond this pacemaker, various nodes and bundles are also including in the conducting system. Now let's discuss one by one. So first of all is SA node. SA node is known as pacemaker. It is also called as heart of heart or node of Keith and Flake. I repeat, SA node is also known as pacemaker, heart of heart or node of Keith and Flake. It is situated at the superior portion of right atrial wall. This is the right atrium and SA node is present at the superior part of the right atrium. The impulse for heart beating is generated in SA node. SA node is capable to beat the heart 72 per minute. It is connected posteriorly with modified muscle fibers to atrioventricular node. This is SA node and this is AV node. SA node is linked to AV node. SA node is present at the anterior region of right atrium and the AV node is present lower side of right atrial wall. So now let's discuss about AV node. AV node is situated at the lower side of the right atrial wall and above the atrioventricular septa. This is the atrioventricular septa and this is the presence of AV node. So AV node is present above atrioventricular septa and below SA node. It acts as impulse generator in the absence of working SA node. So it is called as pace setter. It has capability to beat the heart 52 beats per minute. It is connected with bundle of His on posterior side. SA node is connected with AV node and AV node is connected with bundle of His. These fibers are known as bundle of His. Bundle of His further divided into left branch and right branch. The left branch is present in the left part of heart and right branch is present on the right part of the heart. Now we'll discuss about bundle of His. These are the bundle of modified long muscular cells and found in the interventricular septa. This is the interventricular septa. This is the right ventricle, this is the left ventricle and this is the interventricular septa. So the bundle of His are present in between the interventricular septa. The capability of this bundle to beat the heart about 35 beats per minute. Now, the bundle of His further divided into Purkinje fibers. This is SA node. It is joined with AV node. Then AV node joins with bundle of His and bundle of His are joined with Purkinje fibers. These Purkinje fibers are distributed to all over the wall of heart. This is the wall of heart and these Purkinje fiber are distributed along the wall of the heart. But mainly distribute to wall at ventricular region. These are mainly present in the wall of ventricular region. And these have the capability to beat the heart at the rate of 15 beats per minute. The nodal musculature has the ability to generate action potential without any external stimuli. That means these nodal musculature are auto-excitable. As the name suggests itself, that means it does not require any external stimulus. They can generate their own stimulus and beat the heart. So they named as auto-excitable. Number of action potentials that could be generated in a minute vary at different parts of nodal system. As we had discussed that in SA node, the action potential generated in a minute are 72 per minute. In AV node, the action potential generated per minute is 52. In bundle of His, the action potential generated per minute is 35. And in Purkinje fibers, the action potential generated per minute is 15. SA node can generate the maximum number of action potential, that is 72 per minute. So, SA node is responsible for initiating and maintaining the rhythmic contractile activity of the heart. So, it is called as pacemaker. That's why it is called as heart of heart. The main function of heart is to beat, and in beating, the main nodal structure is responsible is SA node. So, SA node is called as heart of heart. I hope you all get this. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like and share it. And if you want more such videos, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.